Now that you've chosen your one goal and talked it through with your kids, it's time to turn it into a clear plan. Here's the key. Plans work best when they're short, specific, and visible. Too often, parents fall into the trap of making a long list of rules, bedtime rules, homework rules, weekend rules, device rules. The list gets complicated, kids get confused, and before long, everyone forgets what's written. The smarter way is to keep it simple. One or two short rules written down clearly. For example, no phones at dinner, screens off at 7:30, homework first, gaming after. These statements are short, specific, and easy for kids to understand. And here's the other secret. Make the rules visible. Post them somewhere central, like the fridge or a whiteboard. When the rule is visible, it becomes the reference point. You don't have to repeat yourself 100 times. Your downloadable for this lesson includes a guide to show you how to make your plan and a template for you to fill in. We've also included example plans from other families and a list of tips for making the rules visible so you don't have to keep nagging and reminding them. In the next video, Alex will show you how to make swaps easier, giving your kids real alternatives they'll actually choose. See you soon!